welcome back to my kitchen, Judy's Keto Kitchen. Today I'm making a really easy chicken salad. I love chicken salad, and there's one place here in Eastern North Carolina that they make amazing chicken salad. It's called Friendly Market. It's in Morehead City. If you're ever in Morehead City, go to Friendly Market. You have to try the chicken salad. But it's an hour from us, so I don't get it often. We have a chain here that just opened up, Chicken Salad Chick, and I'm like, oh good, chicken salad. And I don't like it. It has some ingredients in it that is not clean keto, and both Carl and I got stomach aches when we ate it, so I've only had it once. So I make my own. What I normally do when I want it is I go to my local Food Lion here, and they have shredded chicken left over from their rotisserie chicken. So I get that, and they make my chicken salad. So yesterday I knew I wanted to make chicken salad today. So I went, and they didn't have any rotisserie chicken, shredded chicken. So I'm like, oh my goodness, I want chicken salad. What am I going to do? So I went. Chicken breast happened to be on sale this week for $2 a pound. If I buy a pound of the shredded chicken already made up, it's $10 a pound. This was $2 a pound, and I'm like, oh, no brainer. So I brought it home. I put it on the baking pan, put some chili lime seasoning from Trader Joe's on it, and baked it. Oh, I'm never buying the pre-shredded chicken again. It's cheaper to do your own. It's so easy. I cooked it. I let it cool down completely, and then I shredded it myself. Here is all the shredded chicken. And yes, I'm using my fingers. One of the reasons I love chicken salad, and it's January. So usually in January, I do very strict precision PSMF because December, my birthday month, Christmas, all that. So I eat a lot of keto treats, which we don't normally eat. So that's a lot of almond flour, nuts, cheeses. So I gain weight. So every January, I start precision PSMF, and I lose the weight that I gained in December. And we just came out with our new book, Dr. Carl and I, Precision PSMF Blueprint for Weight Management. It is the only way that I have been able to lose weight and maintain my weight for the past 5 years. It works. And it goes along with my cookbook, Precision PSMF Cookbook. The two of these together will help you to lose and maintain your weight. It gives you the blueprint for how to do it. No, you don't have to stay on it all the time, but like me, I'll gain weight in December. I know how to reset and get back to where I should be. So these are on Amazon. And it's very good. This book, I was really surprised when we were reading it and editing it. It's like, wow, this is a really good book. So I highly recommend it. So I am making my chicken salad. I have the chicken in here. This is actually 1 and 1.5 chicken breasts that I cooked. I saved some so I could have just plain chicken on my PSMF days. To that, I'm going to add, I don't always do this, but I had some celery, and so you cut it up very small, and I'm going to add that. As I said, I don't always do that. Also to that, I'm going to add my keto dried cranberries. I'll put a link to that. Again, this is not a specific recipe in that you have to use this amount. It's whatever you feel you need. So I'm just going to cut some of these. It will depend on how much chicken you have as to how many cranberries you use. So I usually cut up some. Be careful with the knife. No, I shouldn't be doing that. What I usually do is I cut some up, and then I just, mix it up to say, oh, is that going to be enough? I love cranberries. Summer, I learned how to dehydrate them, make them keto. I'm going to use more. When the fall came, I bought as many cranberries as I could, and I have a couple of jars of these cranberries. They're also good for like if you make you have nuts and keto chocolate chips, and I call it gorp, and I did do a video on gorp. It's the tartness of the cranberries goes really well with the chocolate. And then I also use pecans. Pecans. I don't know the correct way to say it, but I use them too. Now, when I'm doing strict PSMF, I don't have any nuts, even on off days, but I like these in my chicken salad. I have been strict PSMF for 3 weeks, so this is like a little treat for me to have some nuts. Chop them up to whatever size you like. You can put them in a mini food processor, which I probably should have done. But sometimes if I don't have a lot to do, it's just as easy to do it with the knife. Put that in. Mix it up to see if that's enough nuts. It's probably going to be enough nuts. I don't really want a lot of nuts, so I could probably add a little salt. I don't really like a strong salt taste, so I'm not going to add any salt, but we like a little bit of cayenne or crushed red pepper since I don't have fresh peppers to put in. And then I've been on a real oregano kick lately, so adding some oregano. And then yesterday I made my own homemade mayo, and let's just mix this up a bit. I like to mix it up before I put the mayo in because sometimes the spices get all stuck up in the mayo. And so this, again, is not an exact recipe, but I'm just telling you how easy this is. I don't like it a lot of mayo so that you're just like, I like just like a light coating of it. And since for the past 3 weeks I've been really low fat with the precision PSMF, it's, I don't want to eat a lot of fat right away. Easy peasy chicken salad. Oh, I can't wait. I just love chicken salad. The cranberries add a real good touch. The nuts are a little crunch. This is so good. Again, whatever ingredients you want to add, and rather than buying the pre-shredded chicken, which I have just learned, cook your own chicken breast for like less than half the cost. So, easy peasy chicken salad, it's delicious.